Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana dawo yami ayikholana.
I'm living on Mushroom. I can say 1996 started living there. I want the river clean because now it's dirty. Even the people like to play here, but they can't. It's dirty. It's a lot of rubbish here. So you have to be clean this river. To the river, I see the future because this is my job. It's my life. It's the way I live. I'm waiting to the river. I can support my child with this job. I want the volunteers to help us to clean up the river. My name is Johnston. We are at the moment of ISC here. We are here by Elephants. Elephants sprayed, and then we still want this place to get clean again. Hey, so I tell you, this is season of clean alana and Elephants. Ngoba irubbish lena ibuya kuphi ibuya ethembisa kubantu basebenzisa imishini so sizatela ukuthi nizosiza sikhulu lana emfuleni waziningi irubbish ezileko lana iningi kakhulu sizotela isizo kini nizosiza siyalitela kakhulu lelo sizo kini thina abantu omnyama abanye bona vele sesikhulumile nabo bavumile vele ukuthi bazosiza sizotela isizo kini sitakupa thuso sitorthusa na kamoka lena le berekang ka go kulumaka vele go kopa thuso mo leng go thusa nna le ditela ka Tshwane Dube re se ra kopela go thusa tsela isile ya lebo
Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami.
This is a very large prize that donated for us working to Hennops River to help us to clean up the river. Nona itshwane ebasize ngabo ukucleana umfula wokhona ukusiza basidonatelile ukuthi bakhona ukusiza sikhona ukucleana la emfuleni nabo uyasiza futhi ukucleana la emfuleni futhi na esiphila ngokucleana umfula ma Hennops Rivers. We still need more idea to make this river to be like this. So isacela more elinye isizo lokuthi indawo lena ihlale ibe kanje ngendlela engakhona so sisacela imbono yenu ukuthi singasinceda ngani phezulu kwembono yenu ukuthi indawo le ihlale ibe nje ngendlela engakhona izasiza sizabona ukuthi ngisiza ngani ukuthi sibe kube clean njengalendlela okungayo manje. Now the rain is coming now kuleza ibona ngathi so isikhathi sethu sesihambile angeke sakhona ukuqhubekela phambili ngoba izinto manje sezifikile le ndawo yakhona vele niyayibona ingcwele kanjani zonke lezi zinto vele ziye emanzini vele mayifika izulu leyo.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana